Hey, what's up? Welcome to DGenEd. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts, like the chart behind me, which is of GameStop, ticker symbol GME. And so here I am recording this on Friday, May 24th, after the market has closed and GameStop closed at a price of $19 a share, being up a little over 3.5% on the day, but continuing up in the after hours, up almost 13%, currently trading at a price of $21.41, having hit a high during market hours trading so far of $23.80, so just below this red line here at $24 a share. And so that is on the news that GameStop has raised nearly $1 billion in cash from stock sale. And so now that that sale is over, the stock is free to rally. So it is looking pretty good that it's quite possible the bottom could be in, having hit a low on the day of $17.70, testing this orange level here at $18 a share. It's quite possible that could be the bottom. It also does correspond with the tops that we saw over here following the break above $16 a share. We did see some consolidation, and that may be acting as support as we are now just above that level. But if we do break lower, I do have the yellow line drawn here at the base of that consolidation, right around $15 a share. And so do I think price is going down to 15? Not really. I think that what we've seen so far in the after hours, I think that will be continuing, just building up more and more over the course of the long 3-day weekend. And when we start to see overnight trading on Monday evening before the market opens Tuesday morning, I think that we could see a lot more than just $23.80. I think it's quite possible we could be getting back up to $30 a share. But if we don't see that though, and we do continue to see a little bit of a fade, I actually don't think that'd be that bad of a thing. I think that would just give more time and opportunity to accumulate more shares while the stock price is down, because I definitely think that we're going back up to above $64.83. I think we're going back to $80.70 and higher. I think that we will be hitting triple digit numbers, perhaps by the end of May, but more likely within the month of June. I think that by the time the monthly options expire in June, which is on the date of June 21st, we could be seeing a lot of volatility to the upside. And I do think that we could be seeing prices in the $100 range. Yeah, so I am pretty excited about that, but I did also want to point out that the 786 here from this retracement, going from the low of $9.95 up to the high during market hours of $64.83. The 786 is right around $21.69. So while we have broken below that over the course of this week, we are trading actually just a little bit below it in the after hours. I do think that by the time market opens on Tuesday, I think that we will be back above $21.69, reclaiming 24, perhaps 30, which does seem to correspond pretty nicely with the 618 at $30.91. And I do think that we could potentially be testing the 50% retracement right around $37.39. So I would be looking for that. And if we do really want to pinpoint the levels that we might be bumping into as resistance on the way up, we could do a Fibonacci retracement from the top here at $64.83, coming down to the low hit today of $17.70. And so with the 236 on there, that does seem to correspond pretty nicely with the $30 range, going from $28.82 up to $30.91. That's 618 from the retracement on the way up. Then the 382 is at 35.70. Might be seeing that acting as resistance in the week ahead. And then the 50% is at 41.27. 618 is at $46.83, which does correspond pretty nicely with this green line at $47.99. If I do take a step back, we can see where that originates from. That was the high hit on August 8th of 2022, so it might be bumping into resistance there as we were not able to close above it multiple days in a row, just this one on the way back down. So I do think that $47.99 or $48 will be acting as support once we get that next leg up. So do look for that, whether that's a swing back up to 80 and a pullback to 48, or a swing up to $100 or $200 a share. I think $48 will be the new floor. So any pricing that we're seeing right around $20, even up to $30, I do think that's going to be a discount, and so I am pretty excited to be accumulating and getting more GME as it does rally to new highs on this cycle. But those are just my thoughts. If you found them helpful, make sure you like the video, share your thoughts in the comments down below, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching, and happy Memorial Day weekend. Take care.